Hey guys, what we're going to cover in this video is how we customize the statuses and substatuses for each job type. So FieldMagic allows you to configure which major statuses you have across the top, and also how many, and for each of those, the substatuses that go with them. And we can also tailor them per job type. And the reason we might want to do that is that an inspection job may have a different workflow to, say, unmade your works job or a simple repair job. Okay, so we let you customize that. So to do that, what we do is we go into settings, we go into the configure job status, and what we do is we can select for the different job types, we can select, hey, here are our main statuses. Okay, and here are the sub statuses. So generally speaking, we recommend adding and editing the sub statuses. However, if you want to update the main statuses, you can do that as well. But we recommend adding to the statuses, not really removing them too much. There's only so many statuses you can fit across the top, whereas the sub statuses you can really down limited. So let's say I wanted, say, awaiting scheduling. We've got a custom value there of awaiting PO. We might have another status there called awaiting approval or client approval. Okay, it's going to automatically give me a color. I do have the option to also select that who is allowed to actually set the job as this substatus or status based on the role that they have. That's an option as well. Okay, and what I can do is I can save that. Now let's say I want the same set of values across different job types. I can copy that and I can go and say, hey, over here I want the same thing. Okay, and for this one as well, go and paste that in there. Okay, so we can cut and paste between the different job types, but that allows us that configurability to have different flows for different job types with different substatuses, and also control who can update the substatuses based on the roles that they belong to. If that